I want to find the current Ix in this circuit using source conversion technique. So Ix is the control current for this current control current source. What I will do first, I will convert this controlled dependent source and the parallel resistance into a voltage source and a series resistance. So it will look something like this, and the polarity will be that way. So this is 50 ohms here, 15 ohms here, and this one stays 10 ohms, and the value of the voltage source will be, the dependent voltage source will be 0.5 Ix times 10, so that will be 5 Ix, and this is 40 ohms here. So I can add these two resistances, they are in series, so I will have 50 ohms there. So the circuit will look like this one here, and this is the dependent source, and this is 50 ohms here, and this is also 50 ohms here, that's 15 ohms there, 60 volts there. So this is 5 Ix. So once I convert this again, this one and this one, a voltage source and a series resistance dependent source, so if I convert it into a current source, it will become the resistance will become parallel resistance, and the direction of the current will be downwards like that. So this is 50 ohms, this is also 50 ohms, and this is 15 ohms, this is 60 volts, and the value of the current source will be, this is 50 ohms, sorry, so this one is 5 Ix here. So 5 Ix divided by 50 will be 0.1 Ix. So that will be the value of the current source. So now again there are two 50 ohms in parallel, so if I replace with one resistance, it will be 50 parallel 50 will be half, so it will be 25 ohms, and this is 15 ohms, and sorry, this will come in series because that is a current source and a parallel, so I'm converting, it will become voltage source with a series resistance, and the value here will be minus plus in this direction, so that will be 25 ohms there, and the value will be 0.1 times 25, so that will be 2.5 Ix in that direction. So Ix is still, the original current is still, that branch has not been touched, so that's still there. So Ix will be 60, the voltage source are aiding each other, so 60 plus 2.5 Ix divided by here 15 plus 25, so I'm writing directly to series resistances in series, so that will be 40 ohms. So it will be 40 Ix here, and 60 plus 2.5 Ix. So the 40 minus 2.5 Ix, which is 37.5 Ix, is equal to 60. So Ix will be, I will leave it as a fraction here, will be this 60 over 37.5 amps. That's the result here.